Hey everyone, this is more of a showcase video. We recently had another food drive and I was given the honor to make my personally favorite food groups for a section of the Hispanic community. These are beautiful black beans and they are chock full of the same groups of polyphenols you find in grapes and red wine like resveratrol, and they're one of the best sources of resistant starch that positively alters communities of your intestinal microbiome. And enhances what's known as the second meal effect, which in turn affects, well, it basically affects the glycemic response of anything you consume upwards of, even a day afterwards. I used to think that eating healthy was expensive, but it's really not. Legumes are not only some of the most dense foods nutritionally, but has, one of the lowest cost to nutrients ratios. And even growing them results in soil remediation in nitrogen depleted soils. So I pressure cook my beans. I choose to do that because it reduces the amount of lectins and phytates. These are known as anti-nutrients. They impede the absorption of some heavy minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium. But apart from cooking it faster, one of my tricks for instantly creamy beans is just adding a pinch of baking soda. This trick raises the pH and encourages the degradation of pectin, which constitutes, plant cell walls. So I simply soak dried beans overnight and I pressure them for 20 minutes with a quick release on my pressure cooker. I kept everything pretty basic and simple, just butter, onions, garlic, since I had to make a whole lot for this event. But simple is always best, and you'll also see in this video my garlic and onion peeling techniques in this video for those who get frustrated very easily by our bulbous friends from the allium family. If you have any doubts about the magic of beans, check out some of the links and studies I post in the description box. It will change your mind. And they say you can't live on rice and beans, but many do and will continue to do so. And I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video.